Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for opening up this video. This video I'm going to show you how to make a free ebook that you could turn it into yours and you could put it out there. Either you want to give it away for lead generation or you want to put it for sale. And I'm going to show you where you could go find some of those sources where you could put it for sale. So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I teach a lot of how to make money online. A lot of organic traffic. You have to be consistent. So I got a lot of those videos. I will show them at the end of this video. And if you want to get to know more of this stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button just below and hit the notification ring bell so you get notified of future videos coming up. And I'm going to make a lot more. So freedom means making your own choices, and that's why you came to this channel, is because you're on your mission. You're on your path to doing your own thing, and I understand that. So let's get started here. I want to take you to this website right here, and I want to open this up for you. So plr.com, private label rights, articles. So can be used as web content, yes. Can be used for backlinks, yes. Can be given away or sold, yes. Can be modified in any ways, yes, and can put as your own name and author, yes, and the list goes on. So for this example, I'm just going to be doing cooking, like recipes, because everybody eats. But for you out there who are having, you can't come up with an idea, a niche, something not too competitive, because right now things are competitive out there. So you got to kind of see what's going on. For example, this whole COVID thing, this pandemic, has people under stress. So there's a lot of categories down here you could pick. I think there's a stress one. People are having babies. They're stuck at home with babies. Maybe they're stressed. You could also pick boats, cardio, cars. There's so many niches here you can pick that you could come up with something. And once you pick it, like when I hit cooking, it showed up with different articles here. And I made this video as short as possible, and I'm going to go through it here in a minute. But just here's a few ideas. People with their credit, they want to get a credit card debt, debt consolidation. Maybe you're an affiliate for somebody, or you got your own business that you help people with debt. You could help them out. So I'm just giving a few. The whole thing is here: education, elderly care, etc. So, excuse me, you could also go to Ezine articles. Ezine, I hope I said that right. Anyway, like I'm saying, I'm doing this for an example, so everything's in the cooking niche. So I came over here to Canva, and when you go to Canva, you pick A4 document. A4 document will make it easier so you could copy and paste. And this is what I mean by copy and paste. There is going to be a little bit of manual labor involved in this. So prior to making this video, I kind of went ahead and did some of this. I went to different articles that I found over here. There's a few different ones. Is what you do, you pick out the ones that suit your book the best as possible. Chinese cooking, gas ovens, which grill should I buy to cook gas? Okay, and there's so many. So what I did, I copied them. This is going to be my cover page, so I haven't gotten to this yet. But let's say you want to put a picture in here. So you upload your pictures from your computer. You just click that, and then it brings you to whatever you want to do. So you could also put these images. Let me darken this color a little bit, make it look more. And you put your text in there. Now, there's different tutorials on Canva. I haven't made one yet, but there's plenty of them out there. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's free, and you can do a lot of things on here. So just for this, just to speed this up, is what I did. I copy and pasted the articles that I found over here in the cooking. So let's say, for example, I'm going to pick this one right here. I want to get that title. I want to keep that there. So now, if you want to copy and paste the whole thing, you're going to run into trouble when you're putting them in here because they're not going to line up directly how this looks. So right now, okay, for this one, I got get your healthy. Okay, now you can make that an affiliate link. I want to get to that in a minute. But let's do page 6, right? Page 6. Let's say I want copy this. I want to come back over here, and I want to put a text. Let's do a heading. Now it's going to say this, copy with permission from PLR. You could keep that down there. You can make it smaller. It's up to you. For this example, I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to bring that down. And then I want to do paragraph. So right here, you could go, let's say we're going to do this paragraph right here. Copy it. And then we're going to go right here, paste. And this is what I mean about if you do not have it, you're going to have to come in here and do some manual work. So, and then just kind of shift it around. That's going right there. And then you could open it up on the sides. Let's see, get away from that. Let's see. So it's going to take some manual work. I mean, it's not too bad. You could go right here, use this, because you're going to be putting paragraphs. This was the heading and the paragraph. That's the title. So there's different ones you could pick here. And then you just do that, you know, you don't want to make your ebooks too big. I would say 15 pages, if that. And then if you want to go up here to, let's see, for this example, I have this right here. Let's say I want to make that a link. So I just went to right here, ClickBank. Like I said, I'm doing this quick for an example. Key resources. Okay, if you sell any of this, you want to make sure right here, this is on the bottom down here. First, you want to see the gravity. If it's popular, it's not too popular, conversions, and that little phone right there will show that it's optimized for your cell phone or any other devices besides your laptop. So I actually made that over here, and then it's going to give you your hop link. So I'm going to put right here ebook because that's where I'm getting it from. Then I'm going to generate a hop link, and then I'm going to copy this. And you could put this link, you could either use it, because if you put it into this, then let me show you where it's going to, what it's going to do. It's going to take you take them directly to the product. So you're not going to be gathering no emails here. You will gather your emails if you use your own opt-in page, which, for example, is something like one of these. If you use one of these, and you have this product behind it, you can gather the lead. I would prefer and have you use something like this so you can build your business instead of just building their business. But this is the opt-in form right here that you would want to use, something similar to this. You have your own kind, but yeah. So you would want to put this into the link right here. And let me show you how to do that real quick if I could remember correctly. Just for this example. Link in there. Apply. Now you have a link in there. Now you could change that link so people know what color it is. Let's say, blue is what links usually are. And let me open this back up real quick so I could... And there it is. It's nice and blue. When you're done with this, you're going to hit download. You're going to want a PDF print because this is what it's going to bring up. I mean, you can have the kids do this. if they're just sitting at home bored, whatever, you can have them do this, and I'll show you where you can go so you can market the book after. So you can see I just went through this pretty quick. I didn't put a title yet. But look, there's your book right there. There's your link right there. Let's see if it's working. It's working. Cool. So once you get your book done, whatever title you're going to use, let's say cooking recipes, the best cooking recipes, whatever it may be, you put your, you could put your images all over the book. You can make the book pretty long, and it's going to give them the content they want, how to cook with a tender, juicy steak. It's all there. It's all there. So I just wanted to make this example real quick because you all could be doing this right now at home. If you don't got your ideas, ask your kids. You know how kids got those fresh minds. They got good ideas when they can do. Even if it's kids' books. Kids' books are selling. Children's books. It might be kind of cheesy to us adults, but hey, kids got that mind. And if you would like to know where you could go sell your books, come over here to my YouTube channel, and I have a few places here where you could sell your books at. Right here. I mean, you could put it in blogging. You could put your book over in eJunkie. There's so many places you could put your book at because it's just going to turn into a link. You could put it down here on Medium. So if you go over here and check out some of these other videos on how to do that, it will show you how to do it. And that's my video for now. Get involved, start taking action, and make you some books. They give it to you right there. Private label rights article. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and so it can hit the algorithms and start showing more people how to do this stuff for free. It's not too hard. It's pretty basic, simple, copy paste, and y'all have a nice day out there. Thank you very much. Bye.